This week's reading is full of beautiful, bright colors. I recommend referring back to Yellow Ball by Molly Bang and noticing all the beautiful colors in the world as you go about your day with your student. Okay, let's get to it. My Blue Boat by Chris L. Demarest. My blue boat catches the wind. I sail past the sleeping town, through the channel, and into the busy harbor. Good morning, I called to the fishing fleet. My blue boat sails up and down the swells, and across the wide ocean. I dance with whales, play tag with dolphins, and steer through storms. My blue boat dips under the moon as I look for stars and drift back toward the beacon and home. The end. Wow, what a journey. Let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed this week's reading of My Blue Boat from the series Before 5 in a Row. And don't forget to hit that bell so you know when the next reading comes out. And hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy reading.